Can we skip to the good part?
Pase puto pendejo, el pinche cabrón. Let's get it nice like this, I'm a night like this. Sword in my hand, I fight like this. And I'm more than a man, I'm a god. Bitch, touche on guard.
Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. I'm so pretty and he like that. When he beat it up, he deep inside.
Join Jinx from Arcade. Drawing Sokka from Avatar.
Okay, so here's how you draw a portrait. You want to start off with a circle, and then you want to draw the guidelines, and then here's when you add the... Oh, my bad. Phone fell, but you get the idea.
My art before taking it seriously.
I'm so shy. I'm not shy, I'll say it. I've been picturing you.
Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me in the morning, I'll be on the way. Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me in the morning, I'll be on the way. Call me when you want.
I made this exactly 1 year ago.
I don't wanna lose you. Hey, yeah. I'm begging you.
How's my improvement?
Put your love in the hand now, baby.
I put a ambiance to it. Eternal happiness tonight. But it was just another blip in my heart. Sometimes I feel.
But I guess it was all just make believe. Oh, love. Never knew what I was missing, but I knew what.
Two friends sitting in a tree.
Yep.
They might kiss.
No.
They might.
No, they won't.
Why did you have to say that?
You're making this really awkward right now.
I told my mom about you.
Your mom?
Yeah.
Girl, I never loved one like you.
One more shot, another round. I watch the guardrails hit the ground. I wanna leave, I do. But I don't wanna leave with you. Think your time is overdue.
Yeah, just come over here, just come over. Different zone all alone. I'll be in the backseat staring at my phone. You said, girl, don't waste no time. I'll be on the run for a better life.
Drawing the Discord app as a character.
Send this song to your crush.
How do I tell you I need you when you still the breath in my lungs? My body shakes till the blood in my face. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you.
After you told me to leave your room, I used to think we'd make it far. It turned out that we are such a shame that we weren't the same at all.
Can't be right, yeah. I do the same thing
I told you that I never would. I told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay. I do the same thing, I told you that I never would. I told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody.
Sit by myself, talking to the moon.
Pull up the single turn up. Pull up the single turn up. Pull up the single turn up. Pull up the single turn up.
Doodle on notes with me.
Your haircut, but it looks good anyway. I kinda wonder where you got it, and I doubt you even paid.
My phone died here.
Still smells like you. Right side of
Have a
my
good
head
day.
still
Let's finish this piece I scrapped in December. Finishing up the line art. It was really disproportionate, so I just cropped it. New features for my improved style. Time to color. Thoughts done. Now shading and gradients. Now I can color the line art. Favorite part now. Painting details on top of everything. All done.
Vaguely how I color render. First I lay down the base layer with the skin tone and add blush on the same layer. Then I add individual clipping masks to that base layer, one layer for each thing I'm coloring. Makes it easier to adjust the colors and add shadows. After that I make a layer above everything, even line art, and start cleaning it up and adding stuff by painting. This is where it comes together, and I can add little details. Hope this helped a bit.
I get it, 'cause I see you trying, subliminally trying to see if I'm gonna be the one to stay around. I admit it's exciting, but to me kinda like it. But before I lead you on, tell me what's your motive? What's your motive? So tell me what's your motive?